Hi there, welcome to the ReBella Blood Draw Kit, which contains everything you need to perform a great blood draw for PRP, PRF, or other needs. First thing I'd like to mention is that we have 3 syringes in each box. There are 2 of these 60 cc syringes, okay? There's also one 10 cc syringe. So whatever you need, those sizes are there. We also have 2 alcohol prep pads along with a tourniquet, okay? Then there's a butterfly needle. Easier to see if I flip it there, okay? Then if you need it, I just show one, but there's actually 2 included with each box. It's ACD, which is anticoagulant. Obviously you won't need that for PRF, but for a PRP, you can draw this up. It comes in very handy. There's also an 18 gauge needle. All right, once you drop your blood, you can use that to put it into the kits. And then there's a gauze sponge as well as a Band-Aid. So everything you need to perform a blood draw is in the kit.